Hey everybody, Jay Alexander here with Homestar. I want to show you how to use this incentive calculator real quick. What we do is we pull it up, go to the website. You'll see incentive calculator here across the top. This is designed for new construction, but it'll work for any property that's for sale right now, especially properties where we can negotiate for some seller paid closing costs. You can type in and change your interest rates and taxes here in these boxes. If you need a copy of interest rates, we've got a distribution sheet that we can send out to you, so just let me know. What you want to do, so let's say you're looking at a home, the home is $475,000, so we can change that. And let's say that we're getting a total of, $15,000 in seller paid closing costs. That's not uncommon in this market. So let's say we're getting $13,000 from the seller and a $2,000 lender credit. Then you can go ahead and change the name of the community if you'd like. Let's say the community's called, I don't know, what's the one out here that's pretty big, Mirror Lake or something like that, and change the lot. You can even add the floor plan if you would like. Say it's called the Oak floor plan or something like that. So it puts the community name, the lot number, the floor plan. You can grab the customer's information if you'd like. And across the top, what this will do is it'll show 4 different options for our customer, and it shows them, here's what the standard payment would be, and then here's the monthly savings you have with 3 different options for using the incentive that's available. And even across the bottom will show you, okay, anything in green is money left over that we could use to cover other closing costs, taxes, insurance, things like that. If it's in red, like this one right here, that means that the customer would have to bring that additional money to the table in order to start off at this payment here, the $2,600 a month, let's say, on a $475,000 purchase price house. But all you want to do is just type in information over here on the right. If it's not a conventional customer, let's say they're an FHA client or a VA client, that's fine. The tool still works and will calculate properly. Just change the loan program here, FHA, VA, or even USDA. So we can calculate these numbers here. If the incentive is less, that's fine. We can type that in. It'll change the incentive here and again show how much money's left over for our customer to use. Hope that's helpful. If you have any questions, let me know. Numbers on the screen right here. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.